Hello and welcome back. Today I'm gonna start a new series for those who wants to practice English speaking. To make it interesting, I have divided it into three parts. The first part is listen, the second part is practice, and the third part is answer. In each video of this series, I'll pick a new topic for you, and for today's video, our topic is my daily routine. This is the routine of Rohan, a first year college boy who wants to become an English lecturer. So in this video, I'm gonna share you the daily routine of Rohan. You have to listen it properly, repeat after me, and then you have to answer the quiz. So let's get started. Hello, my name is Rohan. I'm 18 years old. I'm a first year college student. I'm excited to share my daily routine with you. Since I'm new to English, so please bear with me. Now here, bear with is a phrase which means you have to be patient with me, right? Friends, I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning every day. After waking up, I get fresh and head out for a morning walk. At 8:30 a.m., I have my breakfast. I usually take nutritious food in my breakfast. Friends, nutritious food means a healthy food, the food which is good for your health. By 9 a.m., I leave for my college on my bike. My major is English, and my dream is to become an English lecturer. I return home from college around 2 p.m. Then I take lunch. After getting fresh, I take a cat nap. Now let me tell you what is cat nap. Cat nap is actually a short nap that is taken during daytime, especially after lunch. After nap, I dedicate some time to make notes for my upcoming class and my exam. In the evening, I watch educational videos, particularly on Lingow, which helps improve my English speaking skills. My study time at night is between 8 to 10. At 10 p.m., I wind down my study and spend quality time with my family. Now, let me tell you what is wind down. It means just to finish, just to complete the work. I have my dinner at 10:30. By 11 p.m., I go to bed. I turn off the light, keep my phone away, lay on bed, think sometimes about the day spent, and plan for upcoming day. After a while, I start diving in a sound sleep. Now, let me tell you, there are two words over here. The first one is diving. It means just to get back. And sound sleep, it means a deep sleep. Now the first part ends. It means the listening part has ended. You have listened me very carefully and now you have to practice with me. Each and every sentences will be displayed on the screen one by one. I'll speak that and you have to repeat after me to practice those sentences. So let's get started now. Repeat after me and repeat loudly, boldly, so that you could pronounce well and you could also speak well in the same way I speak. Let's get started now. Come to the practice part. Hello, my name is Rohan. I'm 18 years old. I'm a first year college student. I'm excited to share my daily routine with you. I'm new to English, so please bear with me. Friends, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. After waking up, I get fresh and head out for morning walk. At 8:30, I have my breakfast. I usually take nutritious food in my breakfast. By 9 a.m., I leave for college on my bike. My major is English, and my dream is to become an English lecturer. I return home from college around 2 p.m. Then I take lunch. After getting fresh, I take a cat nap. After nap, I dedicate some time to make notes for next class and upcoming exam. In the evening, I watch educational videos on YouTube, particularly on Lingow, which helps improve my English speaking skills. My study time at night is between 8 to 10. After 10 p.m., I wind down my study and spend quality time with my family. I have dinner at 10:30. By 11 p.m., I go to my bed. I turn off the light, keep my phone away, lay on bed, think sometimes about the day spent and plan for upcoming day. And after a while, I start diving in a sound sleep. Friends, now the second part ends. You have practiced with me very properly. And now let's rush to the question which I'll ask you from the topic my daily routine, which you have listened and practiced just now. There will be 10 questions and you have to answer each question one by one. Now the very first question in front of your screen. The first question, how old is Rohan? You have four options. 16 years, 18 years, 20 years, 22 years. And the correct answer is 18 years. The second question, at what time does he wake up? 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Exactly. The correct answer is 6 a.m. Now the third question, which type of food does he take in breakfast? Spicy food, oily food, nutritious food or fresh food? The correct answer is nutritious food. The next question, number 4. What's his major? It means what's his main subject? Is that English, philosophy, history or science? The correct answer is English. Question number 5. What does he dream to be? A doctor, a scientist, a singer, a lecturer? The correct answer is a lecturer. He wants to be an English lecturer. The next question. When does he take a cat nap? Before going to college, after lunch, in the evening, or after making notes? The correct answer is he takes a cat nap after lunch. The next question, what does cat nap mean? Option A, a short sleep in the morning. Option B, a short sleep during day. Option C, a short sleep in the evening. Option D, a short sleep at night. The correct answer is B, a short sleep during day, especially taken just after lunch. The next one is, on which channel does he watch videos? Option A, Rockville Education. Option B, OK English Academy. Option C, Lingo. And option D, none. Exactly, the correct answer is Lingo. And now, question number 9. It's the second last question. And the question is, at what time does Rohan take dinner? At 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m., 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. The correct answer is 10:30 p.m. And the last question, what does he not do after going to bed? Option A, turns off the light. Option B, keep phone away. Option C, calls his girlfriend. And option D, think about day spent. The correct answer is calls his girlfriend. It means he does all the three things which is in option A, B and D, but he doesn't call to his girlfriend. That's why C is the correct option. Because in the question you have been asked that what does he not do? Thank you very much, guys. You have to answer in the comment section that what were the answers of these 10 questions which I gave you at the end of this video. And it was the first video of its type, and keep your fingers crossed that I'm gonna bring some more session like this so that you could speak English like me. And I hope so that you guys will definitely be able to speak very fluent and very smart English. So if you like this session, please hit the like button, share the video as much as you can. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Meet you in the very next video. Keep learning, keep rocking. Have a great night.